So Google, I think do I got GG, do I got the L or do I got the, all right, I got this one covered. All right, so in a previous one, I showed an ascending channel here and then an ascending channel here, right? So early on, this probably could have been seen as a bear flag, but because of the degree and how long we've been going up, it's more likely just to be an uptrend, right? A new uptrend. So remember when I told you about levels, right? My channels have a center line and we are living above the center line, which tells me that we're more bullish than bearish. Now we do have a lot of selling pressure here as we're approaching this ascending line of resistance, right? That's a part of the game. You have to identify that. But we're living above what I have established as a previous demand zone and a key level of 169.77. All right. So for me, as long as we stay and live above these levels, these are areas of opportunities to buy longs. But the moment we fall below 169.77, then I'm not so comfortable, right? This is a range here, but I am going to be paying attention to see how we react to the baseline here of 164.70. All right, so, but ultimately, it's Google. I'm going to remove my drawings so you can see something here. So, notice this right here. I called out that this would be a fake head and shoulders, right? It's fake because people see this and they think it's a head and shoulders or it's one forming, right? Where the next, it'll be a peak and then a leg down. But the form is improper, right? It doesn't supposed to always be perfect, but I'm telling you, every time I see a head and shoulders kind of set up like this, where it has a higher high and the higher low, but the last leg is a lower low, that means that this pattern of a head and shoulder for me is invalidated, right? So instead, well, it's invalidated. So instead, I can see Google kind of taking off, right? I'm not gonna go over like levels and stuff like that right now, but that's the game right there. All right. What else we got?